All right, the first practice question that we have 8 protons. We do not know how many neutrons are there. So if you have an X or it's left blank, we have no idea how many neutrons are there. And we have 10 electrons. So by looking at a periodic table with 8 neutrons, we're dealing with oxygen, okay? Oxygen, or excuse me, 8 protons. Sorry, atomic number is 8, 8 protons. We're dealing with oxygen. So I'm going to put oxygen here. And I can always put my atomic number down here, which is perfectly fine if I want to do that. But I do not know how many neutrons I have. So there's no way I can include a mass number right there. I can only put the charge. The charge is going to be number of protons minus the number of electrons. And so that is 8 minus 10, which is going to be a -2. All right. So the way that you would write the symbol is oxygen with a -2 charge. Notice that it is most proper to write the number and the minus sign here. It is okay with me if you were to write -2 like that. It doesn't matter. It is also okay with me if you were to include the 8 down here, but it would be wrong for you to include a mass number right here because you don't know which isotope you have. Now let's take a look at this one. It's 8 protons. The atomic number 8 is oxygen. So again, I'm going to be working with that. The atomic number goes down here. The number of neutrons is 10. So the mass number is protons plus neutrons. In other words, the number of things that are inside that nucleus. So we've got 8 plus 10 is 18. And remember, your charge is going to equal protons minus the electrons. They're equal, so we have a 0 charge. This is how we would write this answer.